First initial thoughts of the crawl space is, for one, you can clearly see there's a lot of moisture up on these walls or in this section. Same with this area and along these walls right here. It's a quite considerable amount of moisture that's penetrating the block. You would think that this wall is an outside wall, so outside air is just penetrating through, causing moisture to penetrate through the block. No, actually you'd be mistaken. This is actually an interior wall, and for an interior wall to have this much moisture built up on the block is definitely concerning. And then I've also noticed on my inspection is in this particular area, probably have the light a little bit too much, you can see considerable moisture damage all throughout the joist. Nothing too major by any means, but definitely some telltale symptoms that you definitely want to take a look at. For example, you can see right here you have a little bit of surface mold growing up on each of these joists in this particular area, and you can also see the moisture damage on a lot of these joists right here on the ends of them. Basically what happens is, I know the crawl space has insulation all throughout the joist. Insulation does work under the right conditions. Unfortunately, these are not the right conditions, and so what's happening is basically when the moisture level gets too high, the insulation is absorbing the moisture, which is a part of its job, but the issue with that is insulation likes to hold moisture. So when that happens, it holds the moisture inside, and what happens is the water starts to puddle up on the sides of the joist right here, and then it starts to drip and drip and drip, and over time that causes mold, mildew, and rotting out of your joist. And then eventually, if it gets even worse, once your joist starts to get rotten, eventually that's when your floors start to buckling, and that's when you end up needing floor supports as well. So I would genuinely recommend full encapsulation for this crawl space. A lot better of a dehumidifier. I would recommend an April Air dehumidifier 100 for this particular area. Then I've also noticed this area as well has significant water damage. You can even see it right here on the ground. It's got significant moisture damage all throughout on the bottom block, whatnot. I know this is not technically a part of the crawl space, but this is definitely the problem area where a lot of outside air is coming in. You can see all the clear signs and symptoms that moisture is attacking the block of the walls. And I know this is a concrete slab. A lot of builders, a lot of people might tell you, you don't have to encapsulate an enclosed space as long as it has a concrete slab. That's correct under the right conditions. And that's also correct if your concrete slab has already been sealed with a proper coating to prevent any moisture from arising. So, but instead of getting a dehumidifier from us in this little enclosed area, since it's significantly smaller than the crawl space, I would recommend having the previous dehumidifier you already have currently and place it in here.